Thank you again, everybody. You are dismissed.
What's up, SK? We have roughly 194 minutes left until our first pep assembly of the year.
It'll be the first in-person pep assembly since the start of the pandemic. I'll start us off with some general news. Today is the spring pep assembly. We'll be outside in the bleachers for lots of end-of-day fun and games. Make sure you go to your Please make your way to the football bleachers quickly when the bell goes off at the end of 4th block today at 12:57 p.m. Grade levels sit together. Join the Japanese festival tomorrow from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Cedar Heights campus. Celebrate Japanese culture through live performances, food, and fun activity booths. We mentioned on Wednesday that anyone who went to South Colby was going to go and take a trip down memory lane. Well, one of our crew members got a letter last night from Mullinex Ridge stating the same story. Along with the walk, you will receive a $250 scholarship for post-secondary education from the school you attended as a kid. Congratulations to next year's DECA officer team. They are President Reese Wilson, VP of Career Development Anton Bloch, VP of Finance Kyla Hoisington, VP of Hospitality Isabella Gross, VP of Leadership Katie Wright, and VP of Marketing Sammy Goff.
In sports news, spring football starts May 31st. This is for all grades except seniors. For more information, please see Coach Dan Erickson or check in at the athletics office. There will be a meeting in Coach Conley's classroom, room 230, on Thursday, May 26th, right after school to discuss the girls versus boys soccer game. All players participating are required to attend. Questions? See Coach Conley. Track and field end-of-season awards will be held on June 6th on the field. See Coach Zimmer if you have any questions. Now this video is just a refresher to pick up your trash.
Pick up your trash, South. For the rest of today's schedule, we'll have lunches throughout the block. The 8th block will start at 11:57, and the pep assembly will start at 1:04. When we all head out to the assembly, this is where everyone will be sitting. Remember to wear your Autopop color to help make your grade stand out. And ASB is looking for people who want to be part of games during the pep assembly. To sign up, you can scan the QR code on screen or go to tinyurl.com/SPA22games. Again, that is tinyurl.com/SPA22games. Do you have school spirit? Are you energetic and enjoy entertaining crowds? Roscoe is the identity of SKHS. He helps promote spirit at school and community events like parades and fundraisers. If you think you have what it takes, fill out your application now for Roscoe mascot tryouts.
Now to go on with the guy that is missing from the desk, we have pictures with people who found him and sent pictures to us. Sorry we didn't show them earlier in the week, but we had some issuance on our end. We see here one guy that got real buddy-buddy with Rosquito. In the schedule of events, ladies tennis is currently playing at districts over on the Boeing Tennis Club courts. Fast pitch is facing Union at noon. If they win, they'll play again at 2:30. And track and field will finish up district play at Kent Meridian. And to finish off the clubs, meeting today are Builders of Unity and Interact. Meeting Monday will be ASL, AP Action, Magic the Gathering, Model UN, and Shades of Color. Well, that's going to wrap up today's show.
The pep assembly starts at, again, 1:04, so bring all the school spirit you have to cheer for your class.
I'm Tristan.
And I'm Wide. We'll see you out there, SK.